Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the powerful world of SDF deployment in NetSuite. If you're looking to enhance your NetSuite development process, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is SDF? The SuiteCloud Development Framework, SDF, is a powerful tool provided by Oracle NetSuite that enables developers to manage and deploy Suite apps in a more efficient and structured way. It integrates seamlessly with NetSuite, allowing a streamlined deployment process. Now, let's highlight some key features of SDF deployment. Version control. SDF integrates with Git, making it easier to manage changes over time. SuiteScript support. Use SuiteScript to automate processes effectively. Deployment automation. Automate your deployment workflow, significantly increasing productivity. Ready to deploy? Let's walk through the essential steps. Set up your environment. Configure your local development environment. Create SDF project. Use the SuiteCloud IDE or CLI to create a new project. Develop your Suite app. Code your customizations using the supported technologies. Deploy. Utilize the deployment commands to push your changes to NetSuite. Testing. Always test your deployment in a sandbox environment before moving to production. Welcome to our guide on deploying NetSuite SDF, SuiteCloud Development Framework. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process to ensure a smooth and seamless integration. Before we dive in, if you haven't set up your SDF environment yet, make sure to check out our previous video, SDF Mastery, NetSuite Comprehensive Demo. The link to that video is in the description below. Before deploying your project, you need to set up your account. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Select SuiteCloud, Set up account. Click on New Authentication ID. Choose Browser-Based Authentication. Enter your desired authentication ID. You'll be redirected to the NetSuite page. Select Continue to SuiteCloud Development to grant integration access to your ERP. Once authorized, you'll see a confirmation on Visual Studio Code. The account details will appear in the project.json file. Now that your account is set up, follow these steps to deploy your project. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Select SuiteCloud Deploy Project. A deployment process will start. Please proceed to cancel the deployment process. Once the deployment is complete, a notification will appear confirming the successful execution. Click See Details to view the results. Congratulations! You have successfully deployed your NetSuite SDF project. If you followed along, your integration should now be up and running smoothly. And that's a wrap on SDF deployment in NetSuite. Whether you're new to this framework or looking to enhance your skills, we hope this guide provides the clarity you need. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more insightful NetSuite content from SuiteMatrix IT Solutions. Thanks for watching and happy deploying.